In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mechanical keyboard keys not working. So if some keys on your mechanical keyboard are not working, it could be simple as a dirt issue, a connection problem, or a more serious hardware fault. So first of all, let's go ahead and start with the basics. So the first thing that I always recommend that you guys do is clean out your keyboard. And you want to remove the keycaps of the keys that are giving you issues, and you want to go ahead and just dust it off just like so. You can even shake your keyboard like this if you want to. You could also use a vacuum, which is another effective method to clean out your keyboard right over here. So it's really important that you do this. And obviously, if like your whole entire keyboard is giving you issues, then that does mean you're gonna have to take out the keys of like all your keyboards and stuff like that. Now, for a lot of these keyboard products, especially Razer, they make it incredibly easy for you to just pop out a key like this, and then you can go ahead and just place it back whenever you're done. All right, but check this out. You want to look out for dust, hair, or debris that are blocking the switch. And I recommend using compressed air to blow out the dirt. And I recommend that you guys clean the switches with cotton swabs. Cotton swabs are another really effective way. So go in between your keyboards and clean it out with cotton swabs, and that should be able to go ahead and help you out significantly. And also, you always want to make sure that you have the most up-to-date software and drivers. So please make sure to update your drivers on your PC to make sure that your keyboard is actually working. And if your keyboard has like certain settings or has built-in software, you want to go ahead and give that a look and just make sure that it is working perfectly fine. You always want to disable features like sticky keys or remapping software that may be interfering, so it's really important that you take a look at that. And obviously, another thing that you could do is you could reconnect the keyboard, so unplug it and then plug it back in, or even try using a different USB port, because sometimes the problem is not the keyboard, it is the actual computer itself. So you want to go ahead and keep that in mind as well. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.